Yeah, so basically, my lecture topic is global warming, a basic one. So I'm going to divide my topic in three parts. What is global warming? What are the reasons of global warming? And how we solve the situation, solve the global warming. Okay. So first, the definition. Global warming is a term almost everyone is familiar with, but its meaning is still not clear for many of us. So global warming refers to a gradual rise in the overall temperature and also the atmosphere of the earth. There are various activities taking places which have been increasing the temperature of global warming. Global warming is a ma- is Global warming is also melting our glaciers because that's a major issue for it. This is an extremely harmful to the earth as well as the humans. It is quite challenging to control global warming. However, it is not maybe it is challenging, but it is not impossible. First step in the first step to solve global warming is that first we have to identify the causes of global warming. Therefore, we can understand what we have to do to stop global warming. So here comes the causes of global warming. Global warming has become a grave problem which needs a undivided attention. It is not happening because of a single cause, but there are many several causes for it. These causes are basically natural causes also and as well as man-made causes. The natural causes are like greenhouse effects. So the greenhouse gas are not able to escape from the earth, so they are causing a temperature increase in the earth, and in that way global warming is happening. Further, volcanoes eruption are also responsible for global warming. That is to say, this volcano eruption release tons of carbon dioxide and many toxic gases, which contributes to global warming. And similarly, methane gas is also a big issue for global warming. So after that, there are some man-made reasons of global warming as well as after the excessive use of automobiles, vehicles, and the fossil fuels result in increased level of carbon dioxide. In addition, activities like mining and cattling rearing are very harmful for the environment also. One of the most common issues that is taking places is the deforestation. It is a major issue that is causing global warming. So when one of the biggest resources that is observing carbon dioxide, it's going to disappear. So there is nothing left but so then there is going to be nothing left but the gas itself. It will result in it will result global warming. So step must be taken immediately to stop global warming and we together we have to make the earth a better place again. So solution, there are so many solutions for it. So first we have to, like as I said earlier, first we have to decrease the uses of vehicles and machine and big machineries, industrial machineries that is going to produce a lot of harmful toxic gases, and it is going to increase the temperature of our earth. So and then the second point is we have to plant more trees. In that way, the remaining carbon dioxides are going to absorb by the trees, and in that way, the amount of carbon dioxide and other toxic gases will decrease, and the temperature of the earth is going to not going to be the temperature of the earth is not going to be increased. So in that way, the earth better can be a better place for living for humans and also the animals. So yeah, that is the real. In that way, we can stop global warming. Thank you.